Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a spreadsheet in Claude AI. So what you need to do basically is simply you can if you have paid subscription, basically Claude can generate your fully functional spreadsheet file through its code execution capability, as you can see right here. Now, how you can enable it, you will go to the settings here, bottom left of where you see your profile, go to the settings, then head over here to the capabilities, and then you will find here some code execution and file creation, and you will put it on. All right. Now, right in this chat, you will put in, for example, something like that. So create a professional Excel spreadsheet, something like that. Or you can generate CSV file listing the top 10 tech company by market cap, uh, just like something like that. We need to wait to that the Claude do his own thing, just like that, as you can see right here. Now it will create basically the whole table right here for us. So we have successfully generated CSV file listing the top 10 tech companies by market cap with their stock tickers. So now we can also do is if we put in an CSV file, Excel file right here, and give in an order, make me a list, just like that, for example, and we will see what will happen. And as you can see, we have got the data as a list here, and now you can play with this all data that you have right here. So yeah, this is how you can basically create a spreadsheet in Claude AI. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.